Hiya, YouTube family. You're right. I hope you're okay from wherever you're watching from. In this video, my helper, Mr. Simpungo, is actually watering our Kalembula. Now, some of you might be wondering, what is Kalembula? Kalembula is actually sweet potato leaves, and this particular Kalembula is the one which has got very tiny, long leaves. Is the one we call Kalembula. We eat that, we cook it as a vegetable. I mean, you can eat any other leaves for sweet potato, but these particular ones are actually the ones that everybody, most of the people like. And I'm telling you, the way they prepare it, you rub it, roll it between your hands, and then before that, you wash it and then roll it between your hands and then dry it up. Once it's dried, a bit, almost a little bit dry up, then you fry it with, tomato and onion. My brother, my sister, you know, if you know, you know. Kalembula is one of the best vegetables, believe me. And it's something you can never get tired of. So have a look. This is the Kalembula field that we have planted, and we want to expand it actually so that we can do it like in a commercial way. But this is just like our beginning and like our seeds, our runners. So have a look at this video. Yeah, so Mr. Simpungo is watering our banana. This banana has survived. It has survived the floods that, this past season. It has survived in Fuko, that big rat with two teeth. It was eating the roots, and that's why the leaves turned yellow. So it's just recovering at the moment. So it's one of the bananas that has survived, and there's one other one there that has survived. Yeah, that's Mr. Simpungo there. So he's the guy, the gentleman that's watering, taking care of the Kalembula in this field. And yeah, the Kalembula is actually doing very well. So far, so good. But we want to use this as a springboard for us, like a nursery for us. You see, all the way up to the far end there is all Kalembula. But we want to do it in a commercial way later on, and then replant it somewhere else on a bigger scale, and then supply it to the markets. You never know, maybe ShopRite and Choppies and all these kind of shops. So this is our Kalembula field, just watering. As you know, water is life. That tree is, the tree that is just in front of Simpungwe there, I planted it as a tiny little tree. It's a very special tree. I just forgot the name of it. But it's a very special tree, and I planted it. It's growing very well. I mean, look at that nice and green Kalembula. Now, in the field, we have a guava tree, and the far end there's a guava tree. But I don't know whether I should take them out from the field and just leave it, the field just for planting our veggies, because they seem to be in the way. Or maybe I should just trim them. I don't know. Either trim them or just get them out of the way, so we can focus on our gardening. We are using this way for now, but hopefully in the near future we'll put sprinklers here. One section we've already started using drip irrigation, and we planted some amataba, maize, winter maize. This upper section here, that tank you see in the far end, that's the one that does the drip irrigation. That we put water in there, and then the water comes through the drips. And just next to the Kalembula, this section here, we are preparing it for planting rep, Pulani Banda rep. Those of you who know rep, yeah, all the way from that far end to the far end is all going to be rep. But this other section here, we got amatava. This is another. So altogether, I got 3 guava trees in this section of the farm. And this is the first field that is near the stream, and then we have another one. If you go past the tree, the little forest, there's another big field there. Hopefully that one we can use it maybe for doing tomatoes, or maybe planting cabbages. Yeah. So as you can see, all this is Kalembula all the way down, going beyond near the tree there. All this is Kalembula, and I'm telling you, it's such a lovely, lovely vegetable. I don't get tired of eating this Kalembula. It's just so delicious. In my mother's mother tongue, they say, if you enjoy it, you say nafwobune. it means it's just too good. Nafuo bune te pabune mkwai.